Okay, so there's a new concept called Let It Lay. Let it lie? Let it lay? Apparently it's Let It Lay. And it's even being incorporated into the new Canada-wide Red Seal certification in the glossary. The whole idea is we clean up too much. And for once, the right thing to do is easier. Easier is nice. I'm a fan of easier. So what we're going to do is we're going to take these perennial stems from last year and we're just going to cut them down in maybe 4 or 6 inch increments. And if you don't believe me, the Royal Botanical Gardens is also doing this, and they've noted that it actually makes a rather nifty tapestry of all the different colors of stems, because they do have different colors. In their own way, they're pretty. We've left all this standing over the winter to allow creatures to nest in it, to overwinter in it. This, by the way, is my fennel from last year. It is a gigantic fennel. And the other neat thing about this is that all of these stems are going to become potential bee homes. All these pithy stems, watch your diction on that one, all of these pithy stems will hollow out and be potential homes for little creepy crawlies. Bad creepy crawlies or good creepy crawlies? All creepy crawlies. What you want is biodiversity, and you want to be, take a step forward, don't die, bulbs. You want to be leaving as much as you can so that everybody balances everybody out. So we can do it this way, we can do it by hand, or we can get out the loud toys. I am bullfrog powered, so I use battery powered tools so I can still have a 0 carbon footprint. And then basically same deal. Yeah, all right, this is much easier. And I'm going to leave everything maybe 6 or 8 inches higher. And then again, all these little stems become potential bee homes. Now I'm going to watch out because I've got some evergreen things like a bamboo here. And I can just come in like that and clean around here. And we're going to do some of the grasses as well. Just take those down. The stuff that's already fallen, I either don't worry about, or I just come in sideways. Safety first. It's a little more difficult in my garden because I've got these little labels everywhere. Otherwise there could be much more trouble there. Kind of clean up the top when I'm done. And the first wind or the first rain is going to settle this all into place. We're going to take you over and show you an area that I've already done. In some ways, the more dense the area is, the better. The easier it is. Maybe that's a better way to put it. More careful, obviously. I mean, it'll be low voltage, but still, gotta use your head. If it's sitting high, I usually just kind of fluff through it a little bit extra. And then in no time at all, the plants will have grown up through that. And in the meantime, it's very beneficial for biodiversity. So let's go look at an area that I did the other day. So this is material that I did last week. And I'm hoping to find some critters in here. I didn't go too nuts cleaning this up, and you can tell where the recycling bins are in the neighborhood. So I just cut this down and I left it here, and it's been patted down by the rain. I'm just curious to see, it's already starting to break down in here. I'm just kind of hoping we can see some little critters. A lot of people are talking about leaving your garden until the temperatures reach about 50 degrees in the daytime. I don't think you have to if you're doing it this way. Well, he's a critter, but he's not a great critter. Come here, little critter. That's a millipede. Everybody has a place here. I'm seeing slugs, I'm seeing ants, I'm seeing no ladybugs today, but I do see them. We'll give them all their shelter back. But by doing this, by leaving it all sitting here, anybody who is sleeping has a nice fluffy blanket on top of them. So that's not going to hurt them. That's going to let them wake up when they're ready to wake up. And you're not taking anything away, you're not mulching anything up, you're just letting Mother Nature take care of it. So it's a much easier way to do things. The concept goes by the term let it lay. And yeah, it's just kind of a funkier, easier, friendlier way to garden.